In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom functions with Deluge script in Zoho CRM. We'll start right from the Zoho CRM homepage. Make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to manage functions. From the home screen, head to the gear icon in the top right corner. That opens the Setup area, which is where all your developer tools live. Inside Setup, look for Functions. This is the workspace where you create and manage Deluge-based custom logic for your CRM. Open it, and then switch to the Trails section. Trails is designed for building and refining your functions safely before they're tied into live automation. It's a great place to experiment, track revisions, and keep draft work separate from production. From Trails, pick the function you want to work on and choose Edit function. This opens the Deluge editor. Here, you can create or refine your code. Keep your function goal-focused. For example, enriching a record, validating data, or notifying a team. Use clear variable names. Add brief comments to explain why you're doing something, and handle edge cases like blank fields or missing IDs. If your function is triggered by a workflow on a specific module, expect the record ID in the input map and work from that. As you write, organize your logic into small sections. Get inputs, fetch any related data you need, apply your business rules, and then write back updates only when required. Deluge offers built-in tasks like fetching records, updating fields, sending emails, and posting to webhooks, so lean on those to avoid reinventing the wheel. When your core logic is in place, associate the function with a workflow rule so it runs automatically at the right moment, like on record creation, edit, or when certain conditions are met. Choose the relevant module and rule, then select your function as the action. Ensure the function's inputs line up with what the workflow provides, typically the record ID and any context you rely on. Finally, save your work. Saving compiles the script and flags any syntax issues right away, so you can correct them before the function is used. A tidy, well-commented function that saves without errors is much easier to maintain and reuse across different rules. That's it. From Home, into Setup, into Functions, over to Trails, edit your function, associate it with the right workflow, and save. Follow this flow, and you'll be creating reliable, reusable Deluge functions that automate your Zoho CRM processes with confidence.